Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks. I was at the APA show in Las Vegas this last month of February, and I stopped in the booth of Johnson Plastic Plus. I think they're actually owned now by Romark. They used to be just Johnson Plastic, and then they acquired Laser Bits, which handles my sheets of alder that I make name tags out of. And the gentleman that was at the booth introduced me into a color shop wood that is, it comes in 12 by 12 or 12 by 24. It has a lot of colors. It has all these primary colors. And I asked for some samples and they sent them to me, and I just got them yesterday. And I'm thoroughly impressed. First of all, I'm not being paid to do this. I like just telling uh, my viewers new products, and so it's new to me. It might have been out for a while, but I don't think they've ever handled it before. I was a little bit disappointed when I first opened it up because the color was just not right. I ordered like a sunflower and a blue, and I did not realize that they had a mastic tape on it, which is to your benefit. So I cut out this just this morning. That's there's no I actually engraved it, like the circle and parts that are not cut, and cut it out. And then I cut it out the backside of the bunny rabbit. And you can see a little bit of smoke residue, but it peels off really nice. Now, from what I understand, this is a stained product, not painted. So stained, you're going to get some variation in the wood that really looks pretty cool. And I've got some future plans for it. But once you peel off the masking tape type material, which is relatively easy, it's a little bit hard where you've done some engraving because these pieces are different. And there's what it looks like put together. And what's kind of cool about this, you're done. You don't have to paint it. You don't have to seal it. So from what my understanding, it's stained and then lacquer coated on both sides. Now I need to get with them because it says engrave on this side and they look identical. So I do not know. But then I took it to a little extreme and I cut out these name tags all the time. And I forgot to take a picture of the finished product. But see all the backsplash from the bottom of the laser? My laser happens to be really dirty right now. You peel that off and there's nothing. Now, it's a little bit of a pain to peel off the inner parts of the circles of the, like in here. But the whole thing peels off. And on these smaller letters, I just took my thumb and just rubbed across it and they came up. I wish I would have taken a picture of the finished product. I probably won't use it for that, but I hit this hard. I hit it at 100 power at 50 speed to go deep, and this is even reverse engraving. I will be buying some of this in the future. I'll like it and try out some other colors. I just looked on their website and ordered $149 shipped for free. I will put this link at the bottom of my video for it, and it's a pretty cool product. Yeah, as you can see, it's got a lot of different woods. I guess I got the blue and the sunflower. So, I mean, I'm going to try the orange and the red. But I was thoroughly impressed. It's not $10.35 for a sheet. The 12 by 24 is 15. So this would be a better value because it's double and it's only 50% more. And that's probably what I'll be buying. I really wish they'd make it in a bigger sheet because I do a lot of lake maps, and I've always wanted to contour the blue part of the lake like that. And you can see in the blue where the grain is sticking through. But anyway, they have a lot of other products too. I mean, they have sheet plywood, solid sheets, 6 by 12, mixed variety of veneer woods. I have bought their alder. Let's see if it comes up. I used to get it from Laser Bits, and that's even a Laser Bit photo still. It's gone up quite a bit as of everything in the last couple of years. It's 12 by 24. And if you I charge $15 for a little name tag. So the first name tag, you paid for the whole sheet. And this is a great product. Also, very little, it's a solid wood. And after you engrave it, you just take a rag with some alcohol and rub it off. But anyway, kind of look into that. Go to their website. I'll put this link at the bottom so you'll go right to the Color Shop Woods. Anyway, hope that gave you some ideas, and thank you for watching.